Chapter 5, A Pocket Full of Files. Deepak, hey Naina, do you know that we can take files from one computer to another? Naina, yes Deepak, there are many ways to do it. Want to try? How much can it hold? Computers are very useful things. You can use them to store information. What is information? Information is facts of different types. On a computer, information is stored as files. In your home, all the things are kept in order. The bedroom is used for sleeping and the kitchen is used for cooking. In the same way, a computer organizes its information in files. Files make it easy to use that information. Some common types of computer files are, it is the letter.txt, corel.mp3 file, JPG file and MP4 file. Carrying information with you. You keep a bag for your books, a piggy bank for money and a color box for crayons. Similarly, computers need special devices which store files. There are many such storage devices. Storage devices help us store documents, pictures, music and videos. Some common storage devices are pen drives, hard disks, CDs and DVDs. Let us know more about these storage devices. Pen drive, light as a feather, smaller than a pencil. A pen drive is a storage device that you can carry with you. It can even be smaller than your finger. Using a pen drive, you can copy files from a computer to a pen drive. Similarly, you can copy files from a pen drive to your computer. The silver part of the pen drive goes into the computer. Insert it in the slot called as the USB port. The USB port looks like the one which is shown in the figure 6. This is the figure 6. Both pen drives and USB ports have filled spaces and empty spaces. To properly insert a pen drive, match its filled side to the empty side of the USB port. So how do you watch a cartoon that is on a pen drive? Simple. When you insert a pen drive, a dialog box opens. This is called the autoplay dialog box. The autoplay dialog box lets you play videos on a storage device. Click the play option. The cartoon starts to play. This one. On a CPU, the USB port can be at the front or back. Laptops have USB ports on the side. This one, figure 10. Hard disk. A hard disk is like a large pen drive. This one, figure 11. It is also a storage device. It is about the size of a small book. A hard disk is connected to the USB port using a wire. It can store thousands of files. That's a lot of information, isn't it? Different storage devices. There are other different storage devices such as CDs and DVDs. Let's go meet them. A CD is a storage device, looks like a flat circle. It is put into the CD drive here. Figure number 12. CDs are also known as compact discs. A DVD looks similar to CD, but it stores more information than a CD. It is darker in color, figure 13. Than a CD that has the letters DVD on the top side. DVDs are also known as digital video discs. Some computers have a DVD drive. It is just like a CD drive but it plays DVDs. There are also special DVD playing machines. This one, figure 14. It is easy to copy files to pen drives and hard disks, but you cannot always copy files to CDs and DVDs. You need special CDs and DVDs to do this. Do it right. It is important to learn how to take care of computers. Computers are sensitive machines. They can break down if they are not used properly. If you treat like a friend, take care of it, it will be happy. Do you know how to use computer properly? Let's see how to do that. This is a happy computer. Safety while using computers. How to use your computer. If you do this, your computer will not harm you. Keep wireless wires plugged in or they may cause a fire. Do not keep a computer on a high place or near the edge of the desk. It may fall. Do not keep a computer near a fire or in a kitchen. It may catch fire. Taking care of computers. Keep it in a cool room. Do not drop food or water on it. Wipe with a soft cloth. Do not keep it near an open window. Care for your computer. If you do this, it will never fall sick. Using computers, do's and don'ts. Do's: sit straight on a chair. Take breaks often. Enjoy other hobbies. Do not sit on a sofa or floor. Stare at the monitor. Use the computer all the time. Tech terms. Storage devices. Storage devices help us store documents, pictures, music and videos. Pen drive. A pen drive is a storage device that you can carry with you. Autoplay. The autoplay dialog box lets you play videos on a storage device. Hard disk. A hard disk is a storage device such as large pen drive. CD. A CD is a storage device that looks like a flat circle. DVD. A DVD stores more information than a CD. It is darker in color than a CD and has letters DVD on the top side. Skills achieved: using a pen drive, identifying storage devices, using a computer safely, taking care of computers. Concepts learned: you can use a pen drive to take information from one place to another. You can use storage devices such as CDs, DVDs and hard disks to store and carry information. You need to take proper care of your computers so that they run smoothly. Workouts. Multiple choice question. Where will you insert a pen drive? Here we insert in a USB port. What is the best method to clean your computer? Wipe it with a soft cloth. What is a CD drive used for? To play the CD. Which of these are connected to the computers with a wire? It's a hard disk. Which of these actions can harm you? Staring at a computer screen for a long time. Next comes true or false. A CD looks like a pen drive. No, false. A DVD stores less information than a CD, which is false. A pen drive is a file on a computer. It is false. A good way to use a computer is to keep it on a desk. It's true. A hard disk is put in the DVD drive, which is false.